chamber reciprocity. Our colleagues in the House of Representatives have, in line with the calendar year of the legislature is different from the normal calendar. So we actually started a new legislative calendar in the month of June. We came in on June 13th, so we have started a new calendar that will take us to next year, June. And so it has fallen within this period for us to go on a break to enable us undertake major oversights. So during this period, members are expected to travel to Sokoto, to everywhere, to observe the routes that are going on. And by the time we resume, you are expected to bring your reports, committee by committee, for us to look into. And I want to wish you, joining mercies, safe travels, and for all of us to return in good health. No harm will come upon you, and no illness will be your portion. No accident will touch you or members of your family. Can we say amen? And then tomorrow, we will all converge at Jos to bid the wife of our colleague, distinguished Senator Dickett Plang, Mrs. Plang, farewell as she goes back to her Creator. May her soul once again rest in perfect peace. A plane will be available to convert distinguished senators. I don't know, Felicia will give the details, but I think the plane should be available from 8 to convert senators to Jos, 8 a.m., so that we can all attend the ceremony, which starts at 10. So I wish all of us journey mercies and safe return to Abuja. Leader of the Senate.
I'm rising to now move that the Senate adjourn to commence. I guess the first thing is to move, Mr. President, that we do step down all the other items that we have on the other paper for today till the next legislative day. And Mr. President, the second arm of my motion is that we do now adjourn till Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025. I so move, Mr. President.
The suspension is just plenary sittings. All ad hoc committees should continue to work. All necessary committees, Diaspora Committee, Committee on Reparation, Committee on Interior, and others, this is the best time for you to undertake visits to prisons and all that. Do all your reports and make them available as soon as we come back. We'll have a special day to consider all reports. And then all the other committees, reports extended to you, you must also make sure that those reports are ready for Senate scrutiny when plenary commences. You are moving from plenary for the next few weeks, but you are not stopping your legislative functions because that's what your people elected you to do. So now let me put the question. Those in support that plenaries be suspended until September the 23rd day, 2025, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.
Sorry, sir. Immediately. Eh? They're sending the boys to us now. So we need to follow up. Make now good now. Distinguish. Don't you distinguish. Welcome back. Welcome. Leader.